Welcome all, this is Art with AK and I'm AK if you do not know already. Okay, today's video is going to be the exact opposite of yesterday's video. That is nothing but we are going to see doodles with the same characters but with different body shapes. So that's what we are going to see today. I hope you have a good time. Please do subscribe, like, share. If you subscribe, please do click the bell icon near the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I post new video. Yeah, so let's hop on into the video. If you see content in this video, please give this video a big thumbs up guys, because this will help YouTube algorithm to push this video for more audience so that I'll also get views. I can keep this channel running. This is a very humble request from my part, and today's question is gonna be about like, do you want fast mo videos or more fast mo videos or more being like talking? That's one. And the next question is please do answer the previous question which I asked on that day, which is how many of you are starting in doodle, basically now starting from the scrap, so that I can get an idea of what I will do in the future. So please comment this below. And another thing guys, this is gonna be a series of learn doodle from fast mode, so that also I would like to present. So yeah, let's hop on back into the video. Enjoy.